Hi everyone. This video will show us how to quote unquote archive courses that we no longer need or no longer will use, or if we just want to get them off our dashboard. So this video is for teachers that have courses already created in Canvas that they used previously and they don't need anymore. So if you don't have courses that have been published or that are on your dashboard, you don't need to continue watching this video. So Canvas does not archive courses, they just remove them from your dashboard. Okay? In order to do so, we're going to, well, first, let me show you my dashboard from the spring. So I have 13 different published courses, and so scrolling through all of these can get a little confusing sometimes. Now we'll be able to rearrange these also if you want to, but I'll show you how to do that later. Looking down at the bottom, I have 7 unpublished courses, and these are the courses that I am creating for the fall. Okay, there's a demo, my Honors Math 2 and 3, my Theater Arts, and some other courses that I've been added to. Okay, now I just want to see the courses that I'm going to be working with in the fall. So all of these published courses I'm going to remove from my dashboard. To do so, we'll click on Courses. And when you click on courses, it gives you the list of all of the published courses and all of the unpublished courses. We want to scroll to the bottom and click on All Courses. This brings up a list of all of the courses that are in your Canvas account. And notice that there is a star next to all of them. Okay? Scrolling down to your past enrollments, these are the ones that we have on our dashboard as well. Okay? We want to star the ones we want to keep on our dashboard. So Theater Arts 1 is a class that I want to remain on my dashboard. Now for the past enrollments, if you hover over that star, it says this course cannot be added to the course menu at this time. Okay? That is probably because the time frame for that course has ended, since it was a past enrollment. So I'm going to go through and star all of the courses I want to remain on my dashboard. Okay, so these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, these 8 courses so far, I want those to be the only ones that show up on the dashboard. So now when I click on dashboard, you will notice I only have 2 courses that are published and the other 6 are unpublished. My dashboard is much more condensed and more organized. Okay? If you have any questions, feel free to ask.